If you want to quickly change the font size, and font color in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step process that works whether you're formatting a document, a school assignment, a report, or even a professional letter. These are some of the most useful basic formatting tools in Word, and once you know where to find them, you can make your documents look much cleaner and more polished in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document you want to edit. Before you make any changes, it helps to click and drag your mouse to highlight the text you want to format. If you want to change the entire document, you can use Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac to select everything at once. Once your text is selected, look at the top of Word and click the Home tab. This is where most of your basic text formatting tools are located. To change the font type, find the font name box near the top left of the toolbar. You'll usually see a font name like Calibri or Times New Roman. Click the small arrow next to that font name box to open the full list of available fonts. Now scroll through the list and click the font you want to use. As soon as you click it, Word will apply that font to your selected text. If you want a more classic look, you can choose fonts like Times New Roman. If you want something cleaner and modern, you might choose Arial, Aptos, or another style that fits your document. Next, let's change the font size. Right beside the font name box, you'll see the font size number. This controls how big or small your text appears. Click the arrow next to the size number to open a list of common sizes, then pick the one you want. You can also click directly inside the box and type a custom number if you need a very specific size. Another quick option is to use the increase font size and decrease font size buttons, which are usually right nearby on the Home tab. These are great when you want to make small adjustments without typing in a number manually. Now let's change the font color. On the Home tab, look for the font color button. It usually looks like a capital letter A with a colored line underneath it, often red. Click the small arrow next to that icon to open the color palette. From here, you can choose from a range of standard colors, theme colors, or even more color options if you want something custom. Once you select a color, Word will instantly apply it to your highlighted text. This is useful if you want to emphasize an important word, match a brand color, or make headings stand out more clearly. A helpful tip is to always format after selecting the text, not before. That way, you make sure the changes apply exactly where you want them. If you accidentally format the wrong section, just undo it and try again. You can also combine all three steps together. For example, select a heading, choose a new font, increase the size, and change the color so it stands out from the rest of the document. That's a great way to make titles and section headers more professional, and that's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can change the font size, and font color in Microsoft Word, and make your document look much better. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to learn more Word formatting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.